The Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker has long been a staple in the world of quick and convenient coffee brewing. With its ability to brew 6, 8, and 10 ounces K-Cup pod sizes, it caters to a variety of coffee preferences, making it a versatile choice for households and offices alike. The addition of a 48 ounces removable water reservoir is a significant convenience, allowing for over 6 cups of coffee to be brewed before needing a refill. This feature alone makes morning routines or office breaks seamless, reducing the time spent refilling the machine and maximizing time enjoying your coffee. However, what truly sets this package apart is the inclusion of a comprehensive descaling and cleaning kit. Maintenance is often an overlooked aspect of coffee makers until performance starts to wane. Keurig has preemptively addressed this by bundling their K-Classic model with a cleaning kit that includes descaling solution, 2 water filter cartridges, and 4 rinse pods. This proactive approach ensures that your coffee maker remains in optimal condition, extending its lifespan and ensuring that each cup of coffee is as delicious as the last. The descaling solution is a key component of this kit. Calcium deposits and scale buildup can significantly affect the performance of your coffee maker over time, not to mention the taste of your coffee. Regular use of the descaling solution can remove these deposits, ensuring that your coffee maker functions as intended. This is especially important in areas with hard water, where calcium buildup can occur more rapidly. Another noteworthy feature is the rinse pods, designed to reduce flavor carryover between brews. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy a variety of flavors or share the coffee maker with others who. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.